Dom here from Essential RC, another flight test of a cool looking little thing from my friends at Banggood. This is the Kootai Elfin Sky, and it's kind of a vertical takeoff and landing type thing. So it will take off vertically. You can see the propellers, the forward propellers are in the up position. Then when you press the button, they will go to the forward position and it will transition to normal flight. Then to land, you press the button again, they should go vertical and then you can land. It also has a mode, a vertical mode, for it to hang in the air like that. You get everything that you need in the box to fly this. No assembly required. You get the flight battery, you get the charge lead. But I have noticed actually that the battery does have an XT30 connector, which is very handy because a lot of us have hobby chargers that can charge with that type of connector, so that's very good. And you can also buy other batteries should you want to. This is a 2S1000, so you could buy your own batteries as well, not just proprietary batteries that just go with this model. So let's start it up, let's see how well it flies. Okay, so I've read the instructions several times. I've read the instructions, and we plug in the battery first, unusually, and then that is waiting for the transmitter, the radio transmitter. Good. And we put that out here. Now, you notice we've got a rate switch here, high and low rates for the rudder it says, and we've got vertical 6G and 3D modes here. Put it in vertical mode to start off with, and to arm, when we turned it on, we go to the inside positions on 2 sticks to get the motors running. So here we go, on. So it should have connected. Sticks to the in position like that, and then we take off. So while I'm in this mode, I've still got a lot of control. I can go forwards and backwards, side to side, or yaw left and right, much like a drone. But let's get a bit of height, and then I'll transition to the forward flight mode. So here we go, ready. And off it goes. So that's the first time I've done that. It's kind of 2 stages of transition, 45 degrees, and then they go fully forwards. But we're now flying. Just hoping I can go back to the vertical mode to land. So another thing it will do, it will go into this vertical mode. So let's try that. We'll get a bit of height first. There we go. And it will snap into the vertical mode. Okay, and then we're back into the hovering mode. That'll do. And then it will power off by itself. Brilliant. So I think it will take a few flights to master that transition to regular flight, but there you go. Very clever. I think you'll agree. So that's the Kootai Elfin Sky. Link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment. Thanks for watching. Thanks to Sam on camera. Be back soon on Essential RC. Bye. Brilliant.